Hey YouTube, it's Michael Lambert here. Okay, here's what I want to talk to you guys about. The Black Canary. DC Comics Black Canary. As we all know, she first made an appearance in Flash Comics number 86, August of 1947. The first Black Canary was known as Dinah Drake, who later became Dinah Drake Lance when she married Detective Larry Lance. And then they had a daughter, Dinah Laurel Lance, who became the second Black Canary. And then in 2011, they had the reboot and made Dinah Laurel Lance and Dinah Drake one person, and made her Dinah Drake Lance again, and the only Black Canary in the New 52, and apparently Rebirth 2. I didn't like when they did that. Combine those two characters together to make it one person. They should have just left it alone and had them to be two separate individuals, mother and daughter. The New 52 reboot, I wouldn't have minded the reboot that much if they hadn't have made these two Black Canaries one person. If they'd done it like in the original 52, I wouldn't have cared that much. I wouldn't have minded the New 52 that much. I wouldn't have minded that much. Sorry I said I wouldn't have cared that much when I actually do care. Sorry about that, everyone. My mistake. I said the wrong thing by accident. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, everyone. My bad. They should have played it in the New 52 that the same way in the New 52 and Rebirth, that Dinah Drake and Dinah Laurel Lance, two separate individuals like in the original 52. They should do that again one day. Make them two separate individuals again. Dinah Drake, later known as Dinah Drake Lance, and then Dinah Laurel Lance. They should redo that in the comic books. Make that in the comic books one day. I know they have done that in TV shows and movies, but they should have it done like that in the comic books again one day too. And not make them two characters only one single person. Anyway, I just thought I'd tell you guys how I felt about this. I thought I'd bring this up and tell you guys about this. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you're all new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Give my videos a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell to let you guys know when I post. And please share my videos with your friends and family members too, please, everybody. And we are still on the road to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. 240,000 viewers. We are still on the road to all of that. And I could really use everybody's help with all that. I would really appreciate it if everybody would please help me out and help me get all those subscribers, watch hours, and viewers. I would really appreciate that, everybody. And sorry if that sounded pushy. I didn't mean to sound pushy at all. I swear I didn't. I really am sorry about that, everybody. I really am. Anyway, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos with your friends and family members, please, everybody. And I'm off now, so until next time, see ya!